Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something very exciting. I finally own a Jeffree Star makeup palette. So I have got the Blood Sugar palette. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this is? The reason I've gone for the Blood Sugar palette is because it has all the colours I would usually go for when I do eyeshadow. This is the outside packaging. It's just a cardboard sleeve and it has all of Jeffree's information, Instagram, YouTube channel that you can check out if you've never heard of him. If you haven't heard of him, I'd be quite concerned. But the palette is just absolutely stunning. I've never seen anything like this before. The detail, the clasps, and it's got such a beautiful weight to it. So let's open it and try a makeup. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm not really sure what colours to go for because I just use all of them. I will literally use all of them. I love the fact that there's the set of nudes and then you've got a bit of pop colour and then you've got like your darker tones, which is generally what I would normally go for. But I think I have got to go for Prick first, and I'm going to use that on my eyelid, my upper eyelid. I'm not I'm not no makeup artist, but so any terms that I use, I'm really sorry. So I'm going to dip straight into Prick. I'm not sure how much to put on the brush, but normally when I do my eyeshadow, I get a lot of fallout and I have to put layers and layers and layers of it on. That's why when you see any photos of me, my eyeshadow's like... So I have popped a primer on already. Okay. So it's kind of like a... That is what it looks like on the brush. I think it's like a red with like orange tones in it. So far, I've not got any fallout, which is good. I normally just kind of dive straight in and just layer over the top. And I know that's probably not the proper way, but we all have our own technique. Wow. It looks so different on the camera. Oh, this is so exciting. So yeah, I normally just colour on my eyelid with one colour. And I kind of just swirl the brush around like that to blend it out. Oh my god. I'm impressed so far. So that is the first step of my eyeshadow, and I've used the colour Prick. I think I'm now going to go for Blood Sugar. And if you're wondering why one of my nails is shorter than the others, it's because I pierce and I can't screw little balls on and it looks very weird, I know, but I miss having my nails done so much. Anyway, so Blood Sugar I'm going to try next. You're probably going to hate me, but I'm basically using the same brush, I'm just turning it around. Hopefully that works. Whoa, this one is pigmented. Like... Let's see how this goes. I could completely ruin the look now. Any fallout? I don't think so. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Oh, it's so pretty. So I'm debating whether to add a little bit of the donor colour, which is a gold metallic, but I'm not sure. I might add some to the corner of my eye. But I'm taking a concealer brush and I'm going to dip into cherry soda and put that on the under eye. So I'm just tapping the palette and there is the beautiful colour. I actually think I need to go a bit darker on the under eye. So I'm literally, don't hate me, turning the brush round and I'm going to try intravenous, which is a brown. Whoa, okay. So I've decided to try some more intravenous, but I'm going to put it in my crease. This could go wrong. So I currently have Prick, Blood Sugar, Cherry Soda on, and I'm now going to go into Donor and do that near my inner corner. And I'm using like the tiniest brush ever. I don't even know what that's for. I think it's for lipstick. Whoa, okay. Oh, I quite like that actually. I might put more on. Whoa, oh my god. Damn. This is so beautiful. I'm now going to do my other eye and see what the finished look looks like. Oh my god. This is 100% the best palette I have ever used. I did have a tiny bit of fallout, but nothing compared to what I would normally get with... It'll come to me in a second. Revolution makeup palettes. Oh, I love it. I absolutely, I just love it. I can't wait to try some other looks with this palette. I quickly finished the look off with some mascara and the colour Candy Floss in the inner corners. Just a touch, just to give it that frosty look. But oh, I love it. I don't even feel like I need to put eyeliner on or anything. I'm so happy with it. Like, the excitement. I'm not going to scream. But yes, this is me trying out Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette for the first time, and I am in love. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more of me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and if you are a regular, thank you. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.